Hi guys, I'm Odyssey2 and this is a video of single pin picking a little 40mm master padlock. It's like a Italian type thing. We'd recently been on holiday, attached a few padlocks to our suitcases, etc. And when coming back out of the USA, collecting our luggage off the revolving trolley that's a pain in the backside, this had been cut. So USA Customs had to cut this little 40mm master padlock off. I think if any of them had a pick or two and a tension wrench, it'd have been a lot quicker. So what I'm going to use is this tension wrench. And this pick. It's a nice favourite of mine. Custom pick. It's the bitting on the key. Again, not sure if you can see this, I'm using a different tripod. Show the key working, everything's probably going to spring out. So it does work. So pop that back in. So light tension, this pick to the back, picked open. Let's do that one more time, I won't bother shoving that back in. There you go. So it is locked up, even though it's been hacked to bits. Picked again. I could go on all afternoon, but that's a master 40mm padlock, single pin picked, that USA Customs had to cut off with bolt croppers. So thanks for watching guys, happy picking, and please keep it legal.